Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you are new here, my name's Tobias and welcome to Microphone Mondays, where I upload new microphone reviews and comparison videos every Monday. And today what I have for you guys is a review of the MAONO AU-PM500T. It's a large diaphragm XLR condenser microphone. And the audio that you're actually hearing right now is coming from the PM500T. I have it set up right here in front of me. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys an unboxing and we're going to go over what comes inside the box. And then I'll do some different audio tests, and in the end, I'll tell you guys what I think about it. And let's just go ahead and start off by taking a look at the Amazon page. As you can see here, this microphone goes for $149.99. It comes with free shipping and free returns if you do need to return it. And I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you want to check it out for yourself. And just really quick, if you do like this video or if it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And also, if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And now I'll go ahead and show you guys the unboxing. As you can see, it came with the mic, a table stand, a XLR cable, a shock mount, and a metal pop filter. The mic itself has some pretty good weight to it and it feels kind of heavy, and the base of the mic stand feels pretty heavy too. So I'm not really worried about knocking this thing over. And I do think that it's pretty cool that it came with the XLR cable. And if you look at the XLR cable, it says on it, high grade, low noise microphone cable. And just in case any of you are curious, you can actually attach the shock mount to any mic stand you want, even a boom arm stand like this one over here. The entire kit is easy to put together and the table stand is even height adjustable. And since this is a XLR microphone, you will need an audio interface and phantom power to use it. The audio interface that I'm using it with is the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. And this microphone does record in the standard cardioid polar pattern, and this is its frequency response. It looks like it tapers off a bit in the highs and also in the lows, and it looks like it has a peak around 6K. So I think I just went over everything that we need to know about this microphone. Let's go ahead and do some different audio tests. The first thing I'm going to take a listen to is the noise floor. So I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds and try to listen to see if you can hear like an underlying hiss noise. And now I'm just going to talk to the microphone and I'm going to move around at the same time so we can see how the microphone responds in relation to how I'm turning my head and moving around. Actually, it sounds pretty good when I look down like this. It catches a lot more of the bass in my voice. And if I look up like this, it's more mid-heavy. Check, check. Yeah, actually, I kind of liked how it looked when I was recording like this. That might be the way to do it. Let's do that at the end. This is what it sounds like when I'm tapping on my computer's keyboard directly behind the microphone. And this is how it sounds when I'm tapping on my desk around the microphone. And this is how it sounds when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. Okay guys, so I just went back and listened to that audio that I just recorded, and I'm ready to give you guys my final review and thoughts on the MAONO PM500T. So the first thing is that I think it has a very low noise floor. which I think is great. And typically with large diaphragm condenser microphones, they usually do have a lower noise floor than small diaphragm condenser microphones, like most USB condenser microphones. So that's a huge plus with this microphone. And I also think that the audio that this microphone picks up is just clean in general. And another thing that I noticed is that this microphone picked up a lot more of the lower frequencies than I thought it would. And I especially noticed this when I recorded my guitar. And as far as criticisms go, I feel like it might have picked up a little bit more sibilance than what I would have liked it to. And sibilance is like those s or ch sounds. But I think that maybe I have to play around with the positioning of the microphone, because throughout this video, I've pretty much been talking directly at the microphone capsule. And I think maybe if I tilt it down a little bit, I won't be talking directly into the capsule, and maybe that will help me with some of that sibilance that I was getting. I don't know, I just kind of need to experiment a little bit. Also, I think I would have liked this microphone to sound a little bit brighter. I'd love to hear what you guys think about that. Let me know in the comments below. But in the end, guys, I think it is a pretty good sounding microphone. And I think it's a pretty decent entry-level XLR condenser microphone. But like always, guys, I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this microphone down in the comments below. This is a new microphone by MAONO. And once again, guys, I will have the Amazon page for this microphone down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And if you did like this video, or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. I upload new microphone videos every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.